today I'm going to be acting like I'm in a Vogue beauty secrets video. I watch a bunch of these videos and maybe one day I can be in one. But yeah, just today we're gonna be acting like we're in one of those videos, so let's get into it. Okay, for skincare, we're gonna start off with some sunscreen. This is the Copper Tone sunscreen for all shades. Okay, next I'm gonna also add some of this niacinamide serum that I got from Amazon. Just gonna okay, one thing I like to do is just like spray water on my blender. So I'm just gonna okay, last for skincare, one thing I like to do is just spray some setting spray on my bare face before I even start my makeup. So okay, now first we're gonna start with some concealer. You guys know me, this is the Fit Me Maybelline concealer shade 50. I'm just gonna blend it. I like to blend it with my hands at first. Okay, next I'm going with this She Glam bronzer stick. I'm just gonna take this brush and just like blend it. And next we're gonna go with this liquid blush from e.l.f. I'm just gonna start blending. It looks a lot more than it looks. Okay, I look pretty weird right now, but next I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild highlighter. I've had this since forever. My makeup looks a bit weird right now, but next I'm gonna take some of this Airspun loose face powder and just okay, I like to leave the powder to sit for a little bit. Now I'm just gonna use some of this eyeshadow. It's called the Roto palette. I'm just gonna use some of this glittery brown shade and just okay, next I'm gonna do my eyeliner. I'm gonna use this mirror. Okay, next I'm gonna add some mascara by e.l.f. And now I'm just gonna blend this powder. Next, I'm gonna put some lip liner. And next, I'm gonna add some lip gloss. It's called Lip Gel by New York. I'm just gonna now I'm gonna add some extra concealer. Setting spray. Okay, next we're gonna move on to the hair. What I like to do, I like to just, you know, spritz some water on my hair. So alright, next I'm just gonna brush my hair. Okay, next I'm gonna add some of this oil like in my hair. Next I'm gonna use some heat protectant spray. This is like almost finished. Okay guys, I know the lighting is so bad they'll never have this lighting on Vogue, but I need to unplug my light for the curling iron. I'm just gonna go right away and curl my hair. Okay guys, next I'm just gonna add some hairspray. It looks a little bit messy. Okay guys, here's the look. My hair is a bit messy. I feel like this is a good look for just staying at home. Anyways, thanks for watching my beauty secrets, and I'll see you in the next one.